everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys and also emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or even linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. I unexpectedly hopped on the Vlogmas train. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to do that this year, but I had a spurt of inspiration to create some videos, so I don't have a definite schedule, but you can expect anywhere from 1 to 3 videos from me until the end of the year.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Look at my activewear drying. Oh my gosh. But anyway, day 6 of Vlogmas. Today's video is going to be IG controlling my day, fitness related, so the things I'm eating, the workout I did, even the outfit I wore to the gym. If you guys want to take part next time, definitely follow me on my Instagram. I would love to have you guys weigh in on the choices that I make. I actually really like doing these because it's fun to see what everyone decides, and Vlogmas has been great so far. I appreciate you guys. Good morning, gang. I know my hair looks a popping hot mess right now, but that's okay. I will fix it. I post way more frequently on my stories than I do on here, so if you want more of a day-to-day life vlog update, you can check out my stories. So I posted some stories last night for what is up, gang. Happy Thursday. I hope you've had a great day so far. I've had a great day just resting and recovering. It's a rest day for me, which I thoroughly needed. But I came on here because I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm going to be doing an IG controls my life video on my YouTube channel, so that'll probably be posted sometime next week, but it's going to be for my day tomorrow. So I'm going to have you guys vote on what I should wear, the workouts I should be doing, some of the foods I should be eating, and so it would mean the world to me if you guys can vote. It's going to be in the next couple stories. I like to post some stuff the night before so I can get as many votes as possible, and then tomorrow I can kind of have a game plan about like the things that you guys decided for me to do. So I'm going to be posting which gym fit I should wear in the next story, so definitely vote and let me know. Okay, I would love to know what you want me. This is the outfit option. So I have this red and green, both on are active, the Christmas vibes, and then I have this light green and this blue as well. So let me know what you think I should wear tomorrow. For you guys to vote on to see what I should wear, what workout should do. Excuse me, if I should be having any pre-workout this morning. So I'm going to show you guys right now what the results were for that. So this is the results for that one. So I'm going to be wearing my Christmas fit. Let me put that on really quickly. I'll be back. Thanks to everyone who's voted so far. We have a couple more polls coming up today, so stay tuned. I'm actually going to be asking you guys next, like my protein shake, which one I should be having, and then also what I should be having for breakfast. So I'm going to put those polls up next so you guys have time to vote while I work out. And I believe it's going to be full body today, so let's get to it. So the next poll is for my protein shake when I get home from the gym. Should I have my banana peanut butter protein shake, which is really good, or should I have my mixed berries, spinach, and Greek yogurt protein shake when I get back from the gym? Go ahead and let me know. So we have 55% yes for taking pre-workout. I hope you guys can see that. If not, I'll insert it up on the screen. So I'm going to be doing half a scoop. You guys know I don't like to do too much. I also posted a couple more polls. So I asked them what kind of shake I should be having after my workout. And I also asked what breakfast I should be having. So I actually love these because you don't know what people are going to say or vote on. Sorry, my eyes are watering. I just put my contacts in, but obviously like I'm slightly biased. Like there's certain things like I would want to make, or like I definitely wanted to wear this Christmas fit, so I hope people vote for it. But and I actually wanted to do full body, so we'll see what they vote for breakfast and for my shake. You should follow me on Instagram because it's like you get to vote first of all, and you'll get little glimpses of what this video is going to look like. But you should also be subscribed to me on YouTube because you're going to see the full scope of the video and the way everything played out. So make sure you're subscribed and you follow me on my Instagram because I would love to have you guys vote. It's like, again, it's so interesting to hear what people say. Like I was expecting more people to definitely vote for taking pre-workout. 50 to 40% is like still pretty even. I was definitely expecting more of like 70-30% vote for yes. For my workouts, it's going to be a full body workout or a pull day workout. So I'll post them both in the next one so you can choose which one you think I should do. The last week I actually really did enjoy my full body workout, which never happens, but you guys let me know what I should do.
Honestly, y'all, I've really been enjoying my full body workouts lately. I think it's because I haven't been getting to the gym as much as I'm used to, so full body just feels really effective and it feels really good to hit everything, and I'm even discovering some new exercises that I really enjoy. I did go up to 45 pounds for the rows this week though. This workout is the same as the last full body workout I posted, but this is what my IG voted on for this workout. I did the row to deadlift on the Smith machine this time, so I was able to use 75 pounds versus the barbell, which only goes up to 60 pounds, and this felt amazing on the Smith machine.
Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, what? Tell them run it all, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, what? Tell them run it all, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first.
For the push-ups, I decided to do 4 sets of 10 versus 4 sets till failure because I cannot stand push-ups. I actually skipped these in the last full body workout I did, but doing 10 reps was plenty, especially at the end of my workout because my arms were tired from the heavier sets before. Ended up kind of supersetting these with the V-ups. To openly admit, I can't do any exercise for 100 reps continuously without a break, so I did sets of 20 for the V-ups and ended up doing about 80 to 90 reps versus the 120 reps that the burner called for on the Tone and Sculpt app.
Workout was actually amazing. I'm actually really hungry, so I'm going to check my poll for what protein shake I should have. So it's going to be a banana peanut butter protein shake, and then I'm going to take a shower and come back to see what people have voted for my breakfast. A main go-to smoothie for me, so frozen banana first. You guys have seen this recipe probably 1,000 times. Almond butter. This is a key component. You can definitely do without it, but it just adds a really nice nuttiness. Keeping at least 2 tablespoons of almond butter. At least 2 scoops of some PB Fit. Another good thing about the almond butter is it also has protein. You guys, this is pretty much I wouldn't say it's like a vegan, but it's definitely a vegetarian protein shake. No whey or anything like that. And then a good amount of that. This is another hand-painted glass by me. How cute.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
Raspberries with pancakes and maple syrup is like the superior combo because of the sweetness of the syrup. Yep, and then you have the contrast with the tartness of the berries. You guys, it's all about flavor profile. So I'm eating breakfast right now. Tashi's about to go to the gym, but if you guys have not tried like fresh raspberries on pancakes with syrup, it's divine. Black socks or white? Maybe white, because of the light gray, because of the tartness of the berry with the sweetness of the maple syrup. My favorite skincare brand, you guys. I finally got my package. Your girl needs some stuff, so we're making burgers. We're marinating them for tonight. We have some 1815 beef here. We've got some white onion we're gonna throw in there. We've got salt, onion powder, steak seasoning, garlic, and black pepper, and then we'll throw in some Worcestershire as well. Y'all know how we do it. We're just gonna get it marinated and the patty's good and prepped for the night. So we're just gonna mix it and then throw it in the fridge, and then we will make the patties before we cook it tonight. And then I think I showed you guys the last time we had burgers. We're doing them with these everything brioche buns, which we really like.
If you like the everything bagel trend or whatever, these are actually really good. I got them from Aldi, and it comes in a pack of 4, so definitely check them out. So right now for my coffee poll, it's at 50-50, but Dunkin' is on my way home, so I'm just gonna pick up Dunkin', and yeah, I'll tell you guys my order, what I always get. Hi, can I please get a hot medium coffee, caramel with 3 creams and 2 sugars? I'm sorry, what was that?
How many cups of caramel would you like?
I think 2, please.
Okay, is that it?
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. The poll for the coffee was at 50-50 when I looked at it, but Dunkin' was on my way home, and I went to Dunkin'. If you guys live in Leesburg, then you know the freaking Starbucks drive-thru line is always ridiculously long, and there was literally no line at Dunkin'. I got to pull right up and order my drink, and not only that, but like price-wise, Dunkin' I think is more affordable, and I'm not like a super like frappuccino latte person. Like I normally always get like a caramel latte or something like that. So for basic coffee, I think Dunkin' is good. So cheers, mate. Nothing wrong with like the specialty drinks, but I definitely feel like that's more of Starbucks focus. And I just like basic coffee. Like I tried the sugar cookie latte and it was pretty good, and it definitely tasted like a sugar cookie, but for me it's like if I want a sugar cookie, I'm just gonna eat a sugar cookie, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna go get a coffee that tastes like sugar cookie. So yeah, for basic coffee, Dunkin' is definitely the move. Gang, probably the last poll for the day. So we're having burgers tonight, and we're also gonna have a salad, but the question is, should we have sweet potatoes or mashed potatoes? We'll mash the sweet potatoes too, so I'll put that in the next slide. Alrighty gang, so the last poll, I'm about to get started on dinner, and it is leaning sweet potato right now, so I'm gonna get those started. That is the last poll for the day, but I will show you guys what we're making for dinner. I wasn't sure if I was
chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree.
Nothing for the paint, but it was getting busy. There was like a car accident.
Alright gang, so I'm finishing up Shay's video, and I just wanted to say, if you're watching this, Shay, you're in my prayers. I hope that you figure out what's going on. That sounds like a very traumatic experience to go through, especially when the doctor doesn't really seem to know what's going on. So you're in my thoughts and prayers, and yeah, I hope to hear your updates soon. Drinking a tequila lemonade, got these boiling, cut up some of my toppings for our salads and our burgers, about to patty these up. I want to show you guys, I'm obsessed with these. I'm snacking on them because I'm a little hungry right now, and I'm drinking, and sobriety is required for using sharp objects like a knife. So these are so light, they're so crunchy, they're a little salty. Perfect replacement for chips. We're doing Colby Jack, and we have some sharp cheddar as well. Colby Jack is my favorite, so this is what I will be having on my burger tonight. So this is our favorite spring mix, as you guys probably already know. So I'm going to chop up this just a little bit. I prefer to have it a little bit more chopped up for my salad. So this is dinner tonight, you guys. We have the mashed sweet potatoes, then we have the burger with Colby Jack. I have some onion, tomato, avocado. We have the everything but the bagel brioche buns, which are delectable, and then a side salad. I also have some mayo on here, and I'll add some ketchup as well, but we did the dang thing. And so for dessert tonight, I'm having what I normally have. So this is yogurt, berries, and then also some granola, you guys. This is the yogurt I've been obsessed with lately. It's only 90 calories for 3/4 of a cup, which is quite a big serving, you guys. I really do love this stuff. If you're looking for a good lower calorie dessert option, definitely check this out. This one is sweet enough to taste like dessert,
And then the berries add such a nice contrast with the crunch of the granola. It's definitely one of my favorites. You can even drizzle a little honey if you need to. I personally don't think it needs it, but yes, this is for my dessert tonight.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun, you guys. I forgot how fun these are. It's always really fun to see what everyone decides and votes on. So definitely, you guys, follow me on Instagram so that the next time I do a video like this, you can be involved and you can also have a vote in the things that I'm doing. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so grateful for. And of course, subscribe for more of me, more inspiration. And thank you guys so much for your time today. I'll see you in my next video, Vlogmas Day 7. This has been so fun for me and I love the responses I've been getting from these videos. It means a lot to me to have you guys involved, commenting, liking, and watching my videos. So yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag? I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.